Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Yes, CP van Vieren here from Strategico Supply Chain. Just want to give you an overview of the LogHub suite of supply chain apps, and specifically today we'll look at the schedule optimization. So you can see here in my Excel I've got to add in for LogHub. If I click on there and go to the home button, it will actually load all the apps that are part of the LogHub suite, and just wait for it to load, and then you can see all the different apps available. And today we'll look at schedule optimization. So if you click on the app icon, it brings up this menu, and you can see there's 4 steps in this sequence. So the first would be your input data, where you basically build the model, and the second would be then calculation of that model and the optimization thereof. Then you've got a output data step, which basically exports the data or the result in a data format, and also the visualization step, which displays the result in a graphical format. So you'll start by generating a template, the data template, and you'll see here that we've got 2 orders, order A and order B, that we're going to schedule. This is a picking and dispatch process that we're looking at. So for each order, we've got certain steps, process steps that need to take place. This is the steps, the process steps, and these are the resources tied to those steps. And then also the sequence of those steps, in which order they need to be done in order to complete the task, and the processing time for each one of the steps in the process. So you can see, for example, the forklift is used twice. It needs to transport the goods to the picking area, and then again, once the label has been printed, it needs to transport the goods to the dispatch area. So you've got your typical pick, pallet build, label printing, and dispatch process here. And we've got that for 2 orders. So we'll leave it like that, and then just run the optimization. Keep it nice and simple to just explain the concept. The LogHub data center receives and actually calculates the optimization and sends the data back. And this allows us now to again export the data in Excel format. And over here you can see this is our optimal schedule. So for the forklift, there's certain steps to do. There's a start time and an end time for each process. And if we look at the visualization, it will be a bit more clearer, but just this shows you what resource needs to do which part of the process at what time, and when is the expected end time. And you can have that for thousands of processes, and it will optimize that. So if we click on the visualization, open the dashboard, that's I'll just move the screenshot up here. It opened up on my other screen, so I'll just paste it here for you. So there you can see this is the optimal schedule. So the total machines used is 4. The optimal length for the entire process of doing both orders is 20, whatever units you used. So in this case it would be minutes. And the average utilization for all your resources. So over here you can see your orders and the step of processing steps and the order thereof. Each process or each resource is color coded. So you can see, for example, the forklift is the dark blue greenish color. So this is where the forklift will do the first part of the process, and that would be on the first line there, the second part, third part, and fourth part, and so forth. So you can see the schedule for each resource, and then below that you can see the resource utilization over that period. So you can see your forklift is utilized around 40%, your picker just over 60-65%, printer 15%, and your storage and retrieval unit is around about 25%. So that's a good overview of the schedule optimization tool from LogHub. So you're welcome to download your own demo account, register for your demo account, and download the add-in from the LogHub website. It is www.loghub.com, or you can contact us at Strategico. My email address is cp@strategico.co.za. Thanks for watching.